Welcome to Fun with Magnets. So, as you may already know, magnets are used to help pick up metal. I have a magnet right here, and if I put it over this pile of staples, they're all going to jump right up at it, because magnets defy gravity. It's really kind of fun. But did you know that you can also use a magnet to make something else magnetic? If you've got an object that has either iron, nickel, or cobalt in it, you can make that item magnetic. So let's try it out ourselves. Let's take these scissors. Now for this experiment, you'll need a pair of your regular scissors like you'd use at school or at home, and some little staples. Okay? Now the easiest way for me to get the staples out is to take my stapler and just punch, and they come out all folded up. You do want to make sure that they're not stuck together though when you're doing the experiment. So, you need scissors, a magnet, and some staples. If you don't have staples but you have paper clips, those will work as well. So, the trick with this is that there are particles, and those particles are kind of running everywhere. Imagine the school playground with everyone playing and running in their different directions. But when you take the magnet, what it does, if you keep stroking it in the same direction every time, it makes all those particles line up. Kind of like when the teacher blows the whistle. Everyone comes and lines up. That's what the magnet does with our scissors. But first, let's make sure they're not already magnetic. Put them on top, nothing comes up. So we're ready to go. One thing that's very important, you only want to stroke your scissors in one direction, and you want to do it the same way every time. So you want to make sure when you put down your magnet, put it down the same way every time, so when you pick it back up, you'll be stroking in the same direction every time. So take your scissors in one hand, take your magnet in the other hand, and stroke your scissors about 10 times or so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, ready to see if it picks anything up? Let's see. As you can see, we picked up some paper clips, and one just fell off. Let's see how many we have after 10 strokes. After 10 strokes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, isn't that convenient? So I'm going to write that down on my little post-it note here. You can use a post-it or a nice piece of paper. Make a frequency table with strokes on one side and staples on the other. So for 10 strokes, I conveniently got 10 staples. See? Just like that. Now, the question is, well, if I do more, will it become a stronger magnet? So, let's try it 10 more times. Now I made sure, these ones have a name on the one side, so I made sure that that side's the side up so I know that I'm doing the same side. Let's do another 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see. Does it pick up the same amount? As you can see, lots of paper, lots of staples, and we will count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. With 20 strokes, I got 14. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, 15. See, it's always good to double check and count again. So I got 15 with 20 strokes. So you can keep doing this for every 10 strokes and see at what point you stop getting more staples. I recommend doing it up to 50 times total. All right? And then when you do that, you can make some conclusions. Do your scissors get stronger the more times you stroke them? Is there a point where they stop picking up more? Maybe you've maximized the magnetism in it. Another thing you can also try if you want to extend this a little bit, instead of a pair of little scissors, try it with a pair of big scissors. Of course, with mom and dad's permission, especially before you're magnetizing their scissors. Okay? So I hope you've enjoyed this. Have some fun, and remember, science is always right around you. Have a great day.